Hey everybody, it's Martha the Patchwork Kitty and the Patchwork Nail Party. Coming at you from my car again. I got the new nails. So, I actually got called into work because we don't have enough people anymore. So, my 9-to-5 job, not my... If Color Street were an office, I would love to work in it. Yes. But that's not where I'm going. Anyway. But... I got these, so I figured I'd pop on before I actually clocked in and show you guys the new nails. So, this is no particular order. I just pulled these out in a big handful. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So stupid. I just shouldn't be excited about nails, but I am. Okay, we all gotta be excited about something, especially with all this Corona stuff. Okay. First one here is a solid. Whoa. The light just reflected off the front of it and hit me right in the eye. This one is called... I love the Color Street names. Speaking of Color Street office, if y'all looking for anybody, especially in the naming your nail department, just saying. Okay, so first one's called Adelphia. Oop, there we go. And it is a very pale teal... Very, very, very pale teal. I mean, it is very light, very springy, super pretty. Adelphia. Okay. Next one here looks like it's another solid. It's a... Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Next one here is Fashion Prague, and this is like a periwinkly purple. Another solid. Super pretty. I lost a nail, by the way. If you haven't noticed, that was a painted on nail. That was not a Color Street nail strip. I am super irritated by that nail. And it came off in one piece the day after I painted it. And it took me 3 hours. So yeah. Anyway, so that last one was Fashion Prague, and that was the pale purple. Next one is Oslo and Steady, and it is like a sea foam. It's a very pale sea foam. It is darker than the Adelphia. There's Adelphia, and there's this. Oop, there we go. I can do this. So Adelphia and Oslo and Steady. It's going to take me a while to remember that one. But, so a little bit more blue in the teal there. And then, like I said, it's like a seafoam green. It's very, very pale. Very Eastery. I was looking forward to this one. This is the gingham pink. It's called What the Check. And that is exactly what you would think a gingham pink would be. So it's pink with a gingham pink. A little bit of variety there. That is super cute. Oh, this one is like a shimmer. Kind of reminds me of Penny Lane, but much darker. This one's Moscow or Never. There's that. We'll get a little bit closer for you. There we go. Let's see if I can focus. Boop. I just shook the camera instead. I'm sorry, guys. There we go. So there's your shimmer. Almost reminds me of Sahara Jewel. It's like that really rich tone, like a mahogany tone. But without the hollow glitter that Sahara Jewel has. Next one here, this one's an overlay. Checking out the new packaging too. This one is Palm Before the Storm. So it's palm branches, and that's an overlay. And those are black. I know a few of the stylists thought that was actually going to be a green overlay. It is black. This one I was super excited for too. This is the tie-dye one. I want so many pairs of these because I kind of just, I wish I could give these away. I work in an animal shelter, and our teen program, their shirts are tie-dye, and they actually make them themselves. Sorry, camera's shaking there again. And these are just so them. I really wish I could buy all of those kids a set of these. And all the instructors, the leaders. These are just so cool, and they remind me of that group. This is one a piece of me. Sorry, my husband's about to get in the car, and I had to stop him. So that's the new tie-dye. It's one a piece of me. So pretty. I love this one as opposed to the ones before. The ones before were very, I still liked them a lot, but they were either neon or pastel tie-dye, and that's like a true tie-dye when you think tie-dye. That is, I keep looking in the wrong side for the camera there. Keep looking at the red button instead of where the camera actually is. So anyway, moving on. So next one here, this is Floral of the Story. And this one's kind of reminds me of, like Wedgwood. I know some of you are going to know what Wedgwood is, but, or like just the China blue on white. It's very pretty. Floral pattern. I'm trying to get them to move over all the way, but they just don't want to work for me today. Oh, let me see if I can get this to focus too. Boop. Without making the camera move. There we go. A little bit better. There you go. So that is Floral of the Story. Okay. Oop. And I lost all the rest of the nails on the seat. Okay. I'm making a mess in the car. Whee! Okay. Next one. Ooh. That is different. Not what I expected. This one's the Twall. It's called Kisser Twall. And I really hope the colors come up, because that is not black on white. First of all, it is a white nail, but there's a pink check background. Very pale pink check background. The Twall is actually in a dark purple. It's not black. It's not showing up on my camera very well. Maybe that's a little bit better. But it is a very dark, very rich purple. Oh, and actually the check pattern in the background, it's not pink. It's purple also. So all my other purple fans out there, that's a pretty cool one. Okay, which one do I show next? Ooh. This one is the pink marble one. I love the names. This is Feeling Marvelous. Very glittery. It's like a pale pink nail with pale pink glitter. And then the accent nails there, obviously it's like a hot pink swirl mixed in. Very pretty. Making it catch all the light. Next one here. I gotta get my tooth fixed. It's so ridiculous. Okay. Highlighting my face. Next one here is Daisy Me Rollin'. This one reminds me a lot of Oops a Paisley. So Daisy Me Rollin'. So two different backgrounds there. You got a black background and a white background with daisies and vines and tons of glitter. That is so cute. There we go. Nice and in focus. Super bright. That one's very summery. Actually, what's nice, I just realized, is the flowers are actually, there are bright colors and pastel colors. It's not just one or the other. Very cute. Last one. I was super stoked about this one. They had one very, very similar to this last year, and then it got discontinued at the end of summer, so I actually never got to enjoy it other than samples. So they came out with another one that's very, very similar this year. So this is Mermaid Brigade, and I will be definitely wearing this one this summer multiple times. It is fishtails. Super pretty. Super shiny. And super out of focus. There we go. Whee! There you guys go. So that's the new spring sets. I will be putting them up on the website. Well, they're already up on the website. I'll be putting actual pictures up on the website some point this weekend. I don't know. These don't go live on the Color Street website until Tuesday. So not all the stylists got this. This was something that we all had to jump on right away. It was limited opportunity to get these in advance. And then it was kind of limited what we got to see in advance of what they were going to look like. So anyway, so I'm super stoked. So if you're interested in any of these, I still have the promo going up. I believe it's $12 for any single one of these sets. It was a mystery special. I'll continue that through the end of today only. After today, I'm not going to do the mystery promo because you guys have all seen them now. So it's no longer a mystery. Anyway, so mystery promo is $12 a set. Today's also the last day for my bulk inventory sale, which is $10 a pair. For any of the sets that are in my in-hand, in-stock inventory. I still have a few Easter ones left from the ones that I've already ordered. I will most likely, I'm 90% sure going to order some more Easter ones. So if there's an Easter set that you're interested in, just send me a message, let me know, and I'll add that to the order. So we can all get them all before Easter and wear our happy hoppy nails. And that's about it. So I gotta go to work. Bye.